Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to create upcycle puppets, or how to make a bird puppet the hard way. So here it is. This one here is ready to go. We're going to push the button. Oop. Trying to graduate. Doing the chicken dance. Going faster. That's it. Woohoo! We did it. Okay, so it's the class of 2010. So it's a animal that's been around a while, but I'm going to go ahead and dismantle it. Okay, we're going to start by putting on my glasses. There we go, and my seam ripper. Because I'm going to remove all this stuff because we don't want it to be a graduating bird. We want it to be a normal bird, something that we can use any time of the year. That's why we're removing all of this. Okay, so this is hopefully the easy part. Let's see here. Let's get that stitched there. And there. Let's get it right there. We go. And one more for good measure. Let's get him this way. There we go. Okay. Remove the cap there. So we're going to use that maybe for something else. Put that down there. Let's see. Let's get these glasses off. Like so. There's one there. And one there. Oops, I don't want to rip the beak. That's good there. And right there. Okay. Got tiny little glasses. Look at that. All right. So he's there. He's got some stuff to get rid of. Okay. Now, what else can we do? Let's it says the chicken dance, batteries included. Let's pull out it's a Walmart.com item. Let's take this little guy off here. Oh, this is really stitched on there. Maybe it'll just come out. I'm gonna have to seam rip it. Hold on. Alright. Let's get in there and really go to town. There we go. Oh, that was easy. This one is stitched in, I believe. So let's do this. Hold on. Why would it be stitched in there like that? I don't understand that. Hold on. Maybe we'll just do this. Maybe we'll cheat and get, no, we'll do it in a second. Okay, so what else do we got here? We've got the bottom. There's a tail. He does a little dancing thing with his feet. The feet have little socks on them. And, oh, there is Velcro back here. Awesome. Okay. So, let's see what we can do here. Do the eyes do anything? No, those are like little, okay, so it might, if we're lucky, sometimes we are. If we're lucky, oh, why? Maybe it just comes off the bottom. Let's do that instead. Okay, oh, it's just glued on there. This is really it's Walmart, so it's not the greatest in the world. I think it's just glued on. And I don't think we're going to have to worry too much. Okay. Just glued. That's all. There we go. Is it glued onto the tail? That's another good question. Nope. Tail is still intact. Is this going to just slide right off? It sure is. You know, this fur, there's not much to it. It's actually... What? It does have a little beak as well. It's really, everything's just kind of glued on. This might be... Oh, this is cool. Okay, let's see if we can do them again. Let's see, where's the button? Here we go. It's without the body, or just... Okay. Here it goes. Is it going to do it? Come on. Here we go. There we go. There's lights and everything here too. Well, that was it. I think we did it. There's lights in there. Little LED lights. They're glued in. Everything's just kind of glued in. So we can remove that. We can remove that. And I'm hoping that the switch will just be glued in as well. Let's see. It's right down there in the hand. Hold on. At least it's one of the newer ones. Okay, so hold on. I'll tell you what. We're going to hold off on that. We're going to see if we can actually make a puppet out of it. I think not. It looks really scary. It looks almost like a peep. In fact, I can do that, and I can do that, so I can do this. It doesn't look like much. But I want to kind of keep it intact because I want to see if I can salvage the button, and we can use this little guy for something else. Who knows? But there it is. How to create an odd peep-shaped animal puppet the hard way. Hey, thanks for coming, guys. For those of you who have been here before. For those of you who are new to the channel, please, please, please subscribe for updates. And thank you for coming. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time.